Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to clear chat messages on WhatsApp using the PC app. This feature is super useful if you want to declutter your chat history or start fresh with a particular conversation. First things first, you need to open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's installed and you're logged in with your account. Once you've got it open, you'll see a list of all your chats on the left side of the screen. Take your time to scroll through and find the chat you want to clear. Now, once you've located the chat, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with a few options. From this menu, select Clear Messages. This will prompt a confirmation message, so make sure you're ready to clear all the messages in that chat. Confirming this step will remove all the messages from the selected chat. It's a quick and easy way to tidy up your conversations and free up some space on your device. Remember, clearing messages doesn't delete the chat itself. It just removes all the messages within it. This feature is especially handy if you have a lot of old conversations that you no longer need, or if you're running low on storage space. By clearing these chats, you can keep your WhatsApp organized and clutter-free. If you're looking to delete the entire chat instead, you can also do that by selecting Delete from the same context menu. However, if you just want to clear the messages and keep the chat listed, Clear Messages is the way to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. We're always here to help you navigate the latest updates and features on your favorite apps. See you in the next video.